Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see the computer graphics programs with one by one. As I already done some of the settings, which I have made videos, how to set the path and OpenGL and GLUT. So everything setting should be as shown in the previous videos. And now I am making the video where we can able to work on the programs. So here is I think you can see the screen. We have a program called as drawing a basic 2D shapes using OpenGL, and we have a points, lines, and polygon. Let us execute this program in OpenGL using code blocks graphical user interface, right? So before going to this, let us first open the code blocks. Here is the code blocks. Here we have to follow some of the rules and regulations to execute the OpenGL program. What are the rules in the sense? First, let me close this code blocks and let me open once again this. Right. So first click on the code block. It will take certain time to open the code block over here. So wait a second for to open this code blocks. Do not skip the videos here before because of this. We need to make some patience to work on the code blocks. Right. It will taking certain time to open. So before we are going to execute the OpenGL program, we need to see some of the settings should be done over here. So before setting, let us work on this. So go for a new. Before new, we need to go for first a project over here and select empty project. Click on the next. Enter here some. I will place it as a demo and make the folder location as a document and click on the select folder and click on the next button. And it will assign the GNU GCC compiler to the particular folder which we have created and click on the finish. Now you can see here workspace we have created as a demo, right? After this, again you need to go for a new and select the empty file. This is the procedure to create a OpenGL program. Directly you can't add the program and you need to execute, because first we need to create a project. For that project, we are assigning the GNU compiler and then we need to work on the programs. So here is, do you want to add this new file? Of course, click on the S and write down the program name, that is pgm1.c or C++. I will go for a C and click on the save button, right? And assigning a debugging and release. Click on the OK button. So I will take the program from the here. So selecting a program here, copy, I will paste here, and again so here I have done the program, right? So this is the program where we need to execute. This program produce the point, line, and as well as the polygon. So here we have a GLU slash glut dot. This is a basic header files you need to maintain for all programs. Okay, and let us execute. This is the program. It is over now. Make it as a save. This one, right? So again, here is go for a build option and click on build and running. So you can see this the L free glut GLUT. If you're facing these kinds of error, so I hope I won't get error here. If you're getting the free glut GLU32, OpenGL32 and GL, so this should be placed here. That is, go to the setting and go to the compiler, right? Without this, we can't we won't get the output over here. So here is, go to the linker setting and then type this L free glut GLU32 hyphen L OpenGL 32. So click on the OK and then you will get a program like this. So here is the line. So I hope you understand this program to execute this, how exactly we need to execute. Suppose saying that, let us close this one And every time here you don't go for creating a new projects for new programs. Supposing that here is a program, that is what exactly we have created is a demo, and again I executed on program. Again, supposing that I want to add another program, in the sense, just inform to the students, kindly open the previous project which is called as a demo. After opening this, check out whether this PGM1 is present or not. If many people are getting the error that we are getting this program, but while I am compiling, I am not able to get run this. The main problem is check out whether this project is available in the properties or not, in the build target. Supposing that this file is not exist in this area, it means that you are not followed the rules and regulations. For that say you won't execute, because if build target files, whatever we have here, these files are should be taken from here. So for that sake, if it is these files are should be exist in this build target files only. If it is not exist, then think that it is not executing properly. So it is available now. So after running this, I will get the program. So this is the first program. Think that I want to add another file. What is the procedure? Then let me close this one first. So this is one day is over now. What is the next? What? How should I intimate the student? Just go to the code blocks. So this should be followed by the routine from the students only. Every time they should go for opening the previous folder. Again and again, they should not create a new project and new files. Every time they won't create a new folder. Better to use existing folder itself only. So and so it won't get error every time regarding a FreeGlut or a GLEW. So now, so click on the opening an existing project. It will asking, so I will take for demo. So here is a file what I have it. So now if you want to execute the second file, go for the new and click on the empty, and again add pgm2.sc. Click on save and click on OK. Again I will take the second program from the PDF file, right? So here we are working on the implementing the 2D transformation using OpenGL. So then I will go for copying of this one. So copy this one, paste here. Again copy this one, paste here. Again copy this one, paste here. So this is the output what we are getting. Let us check whether we are able to get the output or not. So before compiling every time, first you need to check out whether we are in a, we have a compiler or not. We have assigned the linker setting. So everything is exist over here. Then click on OK button. So now go for a build option. Again, click on the build and run. Here is one of the problem is we are facing here, that is multiple dimension initiate, but generally the file is running for pgm2.c, right? But it is asking for pgm1.o. So it means that program is taking pgm2 but running pgm1. For that sake, to avoid these kinds of error, just go to the project, click on the properties, and then click on the build target. Only check which file you want to run. I want to run pgm2.c, then I will click, I will check this one and click on the OK. Now just go for a clean and build, click on the build and run. Now you will get the output over here. So this is the output. So click on the rotation for R, click on the rotation for R, again T for rotation, R for S, and again everything. So let us make this R for rotation, transformation, scaling. It will increase the size, and it will go for resetting. So first click on the T button, it will translate. R buttons rotating, yes button, scaling, and O button for resetting. This is the program where we are going to work on the 3D transformations. I hope you understood this concept of both program which we have worked on, the 2D transformations and as well as the 3D transformations. That is called the 2D transformation using OpenGL, and another one is working with on the 2D shapes using OpenGL. So we'll see in the next video for the next program. So kindly subscribe my channel and kindly give me the feedback regarding this practical session so we can able to make a next videos, right? Okay then, see you in the next video. Thank you.